I think my love for plants started at a very young age. Around the house in Hyderabad, we have a lot of trees, some of which, my mom and dad planted together. And my dad to this day shares his mangoes with the monkeys, with the dogs, with the neighbors. And I remember vividly, he used to water the plants every evening. And the smell when he waters the plants was just, I don't know, it did something to me, Like the smell before the rain, it's called petrichor. I think that's where the love actually started. Excuse me. Hello, Mr. Edirkachi. Kelvikku badal ennachu? 10 naalachu. 18 vayasachu. 30 podu. But when I genuinely started enjoying taking care of them and collecting them was the lockdown, of course. And I think they just kept company. You know how my splits were my stress meter? The plants are my growth meter. When they're not growing, it means I'm not doing something right. It means that I'm not taking care of myself. Because taking care of the plants is a part of self-love process for me. So yeah, the never-ending affair started last year and it's never-ending.
So Anusha, are you ready? There's a quick challenge for you.
Okay.
You have to name 30 plants.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Let's see.
This is ZZ. This is ZZ. This is like very low maintenance and I love it. I think I have 2 of these. And then of course you have the money plant. And then you have the syngonium right there. And then you have dumb cane at the back right there. The snake plant right there. Sansevieria, otherwise known as Sansevieria. Sounds like a Spanish name. Sansevieria. This is the fiddle leaf fig. One of my favorite plants ever. And this is bird's nest. This is lipstick plant because it rolls out like a lipstick with like a little bit of red on the top. Okay? Yeah, I have lipstick at home. Lots of them actually. This is the calathea. And they have different varieties. They're like different colors of calathea. We have the rubber plant. This is one of my favorites. So this rubber plant comes in 2 varieties, variegated and like this dark chocolate one. I love it. You have this syngonium. So syngonium also comes in 2, actually 3. This is the chocolate syngonium. And then you have the light green syngonium. And then you have the lighter green syngonium. And you have the dumb cane. I don't know who named this plant dumb cane. It's pretty sad. But the best part about this plant is it takes care of itself, man. Like all of us are just indoor plants. We just need some water and some sunlight. Bougainvillea, different kinds of bougainvillea. Ow! That's another thing, When you have plants at home, suddenly they're just butterflies inside the house. I'm like, what you doing here, little fella? And these are all the different colors of roses. I absolutely love it, but it just doesn't grow. I don't know why. This is the philodendron, that's the fern, that's the areca palm, that's the bougainvillea, more philodendron. What's really special about flowers is, you know how long it takes for this to grow and then for a flower to come out of it and then for you to make sure it doesn't die in that process. And end of the day, the flower is probably sold for 50 rupees or 80 rupees, That's why I don't like cutting flowers off the plants at all. This is the birds of paradise. This is literally a paradise kind of a plant because it gives you that tropical feels. You're like, hi, 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 riding Harleys in Hawaii, hi. So this is the dragon or the Draco. This is the alocasia. I really like this one because of how unique this looks, right? Look at the leaves. It's like a sword, like it's gonna, not a sword exactly, but spade, right? This is just like the bigger version of Draco. And of course the Monstera, and then there's the areca palm, and then there's rubber, there's variegated rubber, orchids, so many, fern, money plant. This is called Manjula money plant. And then this is the marble money plant. And then we have the mini palm. These grow super fast and they stay for a long time. I really love this one. This is actually a water lily. It's often confused to a lotus. In fact, I myself recently only learned that this is a water lily. How beautiful is this? I wish I had a huge, huge house. This is the lemon tree. See? And there are different kinds of lemon tree. There's Taiwan lemon, there's hybrid lemon. I don't know which exactly this is, but I know this is the lemon tree. This is the ficus. So the best part about ficus is it grows in different shapes and you can trim it and make it into any shape you like a poodle, like an elephant. And also you can like braid the stem like that. So, பின்னாடி சொன்ன அது பாம் இல்லையா? இதுதான் பாம். தெரியும் அது டிராகோ. கரெக்ட்டா தான் சொன்னேன். இது பெரிய டிராகோ சொன்னே தானே? தப்பா சொல்றாங்களா? தப்பா சொன்னாங்களா? தப்பாவா சொன்னேன்? அது பாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அது வந்து டிராகோ சொன்னேதான். Guys, playback. I'm not going to accept this. Playback and see what I've said. I've said this is the bigger version of Draco and this is the palm. Okay, I'm the kind of person that can accept when I've made a mistake, but let's play back. This is just like the bigger version of Draco. This is just like the bigger version of Draco. Don't you even. This is the peperomia. This is the anthurium. I've had like love-hate relationship with this plant, man. Like, whatever. It's like a guy. When I see my plants grow, I relate to it as my growth. That's why I think everyone should have a plant at home. It's just energy, right? But one thing about these plants, when you leave them on the road, they'll grow automatically. Only in the house, they'll do all the drama. Hello, it's me. I've been wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet